In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin to top in Replit. Pinning a project to the top is a simple way to keep your most important work front and center, so you don't have to scroll or search every time you open Replits. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open your browser and go to Replit. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. From here, look to the left sidebar. This panel is where you navigate between different sections of your account. The pin feature works in places that list your items, and in this example, we'll focus on projects since that's where most people want their go-to repls at the top. Click Projects in the left sidebar. You'll now see a grid or list of your projects. This page shows everything you've created or have access to, and you can use search or filters if you have a lot of items. Take a moment to find the specific project you want to keep handy. Pinning is great for active work, demos you share often, or anything you open repeatedly. Once you've located the project, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that project's card or row. You should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. If it's not visible immediately, hover over the project and it will usually appear. Click those 3 dots to open the options for that project. In the menu that opens, select Pin to Top. The moment you click it, Replit updates your view, and you'll notice that project jumped to the top of the list. That's your confirmation that the pin worked. From now on, when you return to this page, your pinned project will remain at the top, making it quick to access. If you pin multiple projects, they'll all group at the top, helping you organize your workspace around what matters most. A few quick tips. If you don't see the pin to top option, make sure you're in a section that supports pinning, like projects, and that you're looking at an item you own or have the right permissions for. Also, consider giving your pinned projects clear names so they're easy to identify at a glance. And if you change your mind later, you can open the same 3-dot menu on a pinned project to adjust its status. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open Replit, navigate to projects, find the item you care about, and pin it to the top so it's always within easy reach.